What are economic damages? If you've been injured in an accident, you may hear the term economic damages when you file a claim. But what does that actually mean? Economic damages refer to the measurable financial losses caused by an accident. These are the costs that directly impact your finances, and they can be proven through documentation like medical bills, repair invoices, and pay stubs. Common examples of economic damages include medical expenses such as emergency care, hospital stays, surgery, medication, and even physical therapy. They also include lost wages, meaning if you missed work due to your injuries, you can file a claim to recover any income you could have earned. If your injury affects your ability to work long-term or permanently, you may be awarded damages for your future earning potential too. Economic damages can also cover property damage, like vehicle repairs, as well as out-of-pocket expenses like transportation to medical appointments, home modifications, or hiring a nurse for your recovery. Because economic damages are based on real numbers, properly calculating them is critical. Insurance companies may try to minimize these losses, especially for long-term costs, which is why documentation, expert evaluation, and legal representation matter. If someone's negligence caused your injury, you may be entitled to recover every dollar you've lost, plus what you could lose in the future. A personal injury attorney at West Coast Trial Lawyers can help ensure that nothing is overlooked. Call us today at 888-888-9285 for a free consultation.